Welcome back, guys, to another YouTube video, and today we're going to be playing some Cold War. So let's get to it. See what I unlocked. The class I'm going to be using. Here's my class setup. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to be using the arrow arms 3 times. The muzzle is sound moderator, and the barrel is reinforced heavy, soft target design for body, patrol grip for underbarrel. The magazine is 7-round speed round, or 7-round speed mag. The handle's field tape, and the stock is the duster pad, which I'm probably going to be using. I think it's called the Raider pad, but I haven't got it unlocked yet, but I will be using it when I get it, probably. Let's see. Yeah, so this is one of the first Cold War videos I'm actually going to be talking in. But if you guys enjoy it, remember to leave a like so I know to post more. Like I was talking. I don't know if you guys could hear him or not, but let's get this. I've been using the Pellington 703 for a while. It's probably one of my favorite guns. I'm trying to get gold unlocked for it. I got like 5 more cameras. So hopefully I can get it unlocked soon. Hopefully today. I'm not sure, but we'll see. I gotta get one back real quick. Yeet.
Make the Soviet Union proud.
Come on, 3, 2, 1. No?
We're taking control.
Weirdos. I'm gonna be doing bad, I can already tell.
Neutralized. One grenade out. Hostile movement.
What? Why didn't that guy have red above his head? I thought that was my teammate being dumb. So like every one of these kids are almost dead. Yeah, now they're back.
Semtex going out.
It seems to me that they're like... Need to reload. Anybody back here? What? Okay. I'm not even gonna give any kills just because strictly I can't find any, and the fact that I'm hitting
Confirming 2 kills.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe I just missed that. Jeez, though.
Proximity mine deployed.
Like, I don't know why, but I never like realized where they're shooting me from until I'm dead. If that makes any sense whatsoever.
Throwing Semtex.
They're about to spawn.
Multi armor available.
Dang, man, just imagine I got out of that. Oh, Lord, oh, Lord. This guy's doo-doo. What? I'm just lost to that kid.
Semtex going out.
Imagine being me. Imagine. I could not. Oh my gosh. Imagine being this bad at a video game. Whoa, son.
Semtex out.
Hostile RCXT in your AO.
I didn't kill you. This one.
Multiple hostile RCXTs operating.
Planting proximity mine.
I like how it takes 3 of them to kill 1 sniper. I love it. It makes me feel so good, you know? Here, you can have this. Whoa, what is that? That's a dead guy. That's exactly. I'm insane. I take everything I said back. But I hit that one. Nice. Let's see if I can do anything over here. Oh my gosh, it took so many shots for that kid to hit me. Yoink. You guys can have that. 3, 2. Hold on, let me go over here. See, like, no one was in that window until they see me. They just chilled behind the
Hostile
window.
spy plane established overhead.
Semtex thrown. Prox mine out. War machine, prepping fire.
Multi-armor available.
Hostile spy plane established overhead. Отлично. Спецназ, you're pulling ahead.
Throwing stun.
You know what?
Never again.
Loyalty to the party, loyalty to the motherland. Victory.
Alright, well, guys,
Enemy eliminated. Moving to exfil.
GG. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Enemy flag.
Peace.